Hey guys, welcome to the video, and in this video I'm just going to show you how to enable TPM. So the first thing you need to do is just check if your computer has it. As you can see, I've got Windows 11, so obviously I have it, but what you need to do is press Windows R and then type in tpm.msc, go into there and then scroll the bar across and see where it says the specification version. Yours may say 1.2 or 2.0. If it's 2.0, you can install Windows 11 straight away. If not, you may be able to enable it in the BIOS. I had to do it on mine, and my system's about a year old. I think systems up to about 3-4 years old, they should have version 2, which you can enable in the BIOS. Just go in there and you should find a setting for TPM. Okay, thanks for watching.